Here is Lubera Co. UK, the Swiss fruit and berry plant producers and breeders. My name is Markus Kobelt, I'm breeder and founder of Lubera. I want to talk to you about a little bit about the subject Mix It. Mix fruit and berry plants in your garden. Of course you can plant fruit and berry plants in a special edge in your garden, like here in a row. You have here a blackberry, you have here actinidia, a kiwi plant. You have here strawberries, you have raspberries, you have a gooseberry and so on. You can plant it in a special place in your garden. That's a possibility and that's the classic way. But our idea of fruit and berry plants in the garden is more mixing it with other plants. You see here, going through our garden, you see here, against the sun, you see hops. It's a door going in another part of our garden. In the wintertime it's open. In the summertime it's fully structured with our hop, green Henry. You see here, very nice. Now it begins blooming and we'll have very nice hops in autumn. A very nice piece in our garden, in middle of our garden. Here you see an archer, and beside you see a gooseberry plant. Mixing it in your garden. Here, behind the hops, you see roses, and here you see a stem with currants, red currants. Going forward in our garden, you see a mixed border with apple and pear trees. A very nice structure, a mixed border you never see in gardens. Mixing perennials, mixing hydrangea, mixing dahlia with fruit trees. In the spring we have the structure of the fruit trees. In wintertime it's open, you have more light in your garden. In the spring we have the bloom, then the fruits, and then in spring also spring flowers, and later on autumn flowers. A very nice mixed border with fruit trees. Here you have a little orchard, a little vineyard, wines, and here again a mixed border with some buxus, and also in the mixed border you have Maloney fruit trees. So our idea of the fruit and berry garden is not having the plants in a special place, in an edge, but mixing it with other plants, enjoying the work of your garden work while picking fruit, enjoying the structure of fruit plants, enjoying the blooms of fruit plants, enjoying the colored fruit. Because if, for example, if you have cherries and you have 6 weeks or 8 weeks of colored cherries on the tree before picking, it's more than you have from many ornamental plants to have 2 months of a colored fruit on the trees. And in spring you have also the flowers. So fruit plants are sometimes more ornamental than ornamental plants. So mix it in your garden, try everything which is possible. And for this video, write your commentaries below the video, discuss with us, say us what you are thinking about the mixed fruit and berry plant garden. Don't believe everything I'm telling you, and go on gardening.